Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. So first of all, open Facebook apps. So some profile not showing to Marketplace. Now I'm provide how we can get back. So look here, my profile not showing to Marketplace. So click on to profile, go to settings, scroll down, click on to tab bar option, choose the first option, customize the bar, and look, my marketplace is hidden. So just click on to pin. Okay, now go back to main profile. Now I'm check. Okay, now showing here to my Facebook Marketplace. So that's it. That's how you can easily fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our Tutorial Daily Bird channel for more video.